close to about 100 projects what they would have delivered during their journey with SAS, right? When they were working within SAS or any other area, right? So the fundamental part is because of that particular domain experience, the kind of our ability to market ourselves, our ability to help you achieve your desired results is something which is faster when it comes to partnering with Woodpecker and the organization.
Essentially, work with is while you look at all of this data in terms of your customer, right, distributors, I would say, let's not talk about the secondary or the tertiary sale, let's talk about the primary and the secondary sales as of now. Because tertiary sale data is not really very effectively available apart from the pharma space, because there are a lot of AC Nielsen and other people, they capture a lot of this data on that. But if I look at the primary and the secondary sales side of it, there is a significant planning that has to be done in terms of looking at what the stock that the distributor really needs to carry, or the stockist needs to carry to fulfill their end customers in terms of their retailers and so on and so forth. And this is where I think earlier, if I look at the on-time fulfillment was only looked at the planning and the distribution perspective only from a manufacturing to a primary sale perspective. But today I am seeing with my interaction with the customer, there is a secondary sale data which is predominantly captured by each of the distributors as well in terms of being, and but this data which they get it's not in a structured form. They get in PDFs, there are invoices which they have built in, there are PDFs and so on and so forth. So what we do it is basically from all of these PDFs and all the unstructured data, we are extracting all the secondary sales data and making sure that's available and then tag to it. And based on that, we are really creating a demand plan across the different customer segments and the products, which is make sure that I cannot predict, right, what kind of sale is going to be there in the future, and I can plan much in advance that I need to keep a stock at X warehouse of X quantity. My reorder levels needs to be really managed there so that I can provide those quantities or products to the distributor right now. Because that's where if I'm not, and as I said, your ABC classification of the products. The class A products, in case you're not able to provide, there's a very, very big loss of opportunity. And that's why we're able to do that kind of activity. So all that I just spoke about can actually be done by the entire data layer of